Hi guys! Hi! So today I'm here at the Dome to play bowling. Don't tell anyone it's my first time. And I've lived in Abuja for so long, but I have not come here. And my friend is in town, and I'm like, yee! I've got to come here and do this. So yeah, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Let's go. This is my friend. Say hello.
Hello.
She's here. She came into town yesterday, so we're out here to play.
Bowling.
See ya. Stay tuned.
Yeah. For more drama.
So we are here. Yeah, yeah. Hey, so we're here.
Your shoe size is 30. Your shoe size is 30.
40. Who are you? Who are you doing 30? Look at this girl. 40, 41, please. This is a full grown woman. How do I phone number? So after paying for our game, we got our shoes. Anyways, when we came out of the house, we did not intend to go for bowling. The plan was to go to the movies. But then on our way, we were like, let's go have some fun. Let's do some physical activity. And we're like, bowling. And I'm like, I've not done it before. We hadn't. And then we headed to Dome. Okay, so we started playing our game. And guess what? It was our first time, but I was leading. Anyways, it was a tough game, but I won at the end of the day. But the win was very slight because I at first I was really leading, then she caught up with me really fast. Praise was fast though. It was like she became a pro all of a sudden, and we continued our game, but last I still won. It's just that I didn't give her much gap. But we had fun. Man, those balls are heavy. I mean, do you eat swallow? If you don't, better start eating swallow to carry those balls. Those balls are heavy. But we had fun. We had so much fun. I ended up winning with 88. Yes. That was the end of the game, 88 and 86. And then we decided to go have a drink. And you know me now, smoothie all the way. So we ordered smoothie and we enjoyed ourselves. I'd always pick smoothie over anything. So yeah, it was really nice. It was a great time. It was basically like bonding time for us. We even call our other friend, and she was so jealous. Ooh, I know you're watching right now. Anyways, but yeah, that was the end of the day. And by the way, we did play again. It wasn't the end. We played another game before we left that place. And we were both exhausted. Oh my, we were tired. Our hands were aching. Anyways, I highly recommend, if you want to play a game, have some fun, go there and have your fun, play bowling. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos. Bye. We are done and we are leaving.